Good evening, friends. This is the second session on Chapter 1 Introduction to Partnership Firm and Final Accounts of it. In this particular session, we are going to see the provisions of the Partnership Firm Act, Indian Partnership Act, that is 1932, and methods of maintaining capital accounts. Now, see the slides 2 in which you will get the provisions of the Act. The distribution of profits, first provision. There are only 6 provisions provided in your textbook. ये जो 6 प्रोविज़न है इनके बारे में आज हम बात करेंगे. पहले the first provision is telling you about the profit of the firm is distributed as per the provisions made in the partnership deed. Otherwise, if the profit sharing ratio is not properly given, not written, not mentioned in the book, in the partnership deed, then you have to distribute these profits in the equal ratio. That is the provision. मतलब क्या कि जो प्रॉफिट आपका दिया हुआ है, जो भी प्रॉफिट आएगा, that will be distributed as per profit sharing ratio in the partnership deed. If the partnership deed is silent about it, मतलब partnership deed इसके बारे में कुछ बात नहीं कर रहा है, mentioning नहीं कर रहा है, that time you will distribute the profit equally. Number 2, interest on drawings. The drawings of the partners have to be charged with the interest. मतलब जो भी अमाउंट उन्होंने विड्रॉ किया है फर्म से, कैपिटल जो भी विड्रॉ किया है, on that drawings the firm needs to charge an interest. That interest is charged for every year if it is mentioned in the partnership deed. But when the date of drawings is not provided, at that time the 6 months interest would be charged. Generally what happens, the rate of interest on drawings is provided. If it is not, if it is provided, and if the date of withdrawal, that is date of drawings, is not provided, that time you need to charge at the rate for the 6 months. If amount of interest on drawings is provided, then no problem, you can quote that amount, you can write that amount in the interest in the partners capital account. You can mention on the debit side, as I will tell you the format of partners capital account or current account. Then next third provision comes interest on partners loan. The loan partner ने जो भी लोन प्रोवाइड किया है, that loan provided by the partner to the firm, it is mentioned in the provisions that there is not mentioned in the act that whether to provide the interest on loan or not. But if it is mentioned in partnership deed, that time you need to pay the amount of interest at the given rate of the interest. Then next comes interest on capital. Fourth provision, it is same provision, it is that if interest on capital rate is provided and it is mentioned in the partnership deed, then only we will provide interest on capital to the partners. Otherwise it will be not provided. There is no provision as per the act. But if it is provided, act says that if it is provided in the partnership deed, then only you will provide interest on capital. Next, fifth is salary or commission to partners. That is the remuneration, the payment of salary to the partner. It will be credited to the partner's capital account. Or commission, same provision it is also there that salary or commission देना है या नहीं देना है, इसके बारे में पार्टनरशिप एक्ट कुछ भी बताता नहीं है, पर वो ये बताता है कि आपके पार्टनरशिप डीड में कुछ अमाउंट मेंशन किया है या कुछ सैलरी किसी पार्टनर को देना मेंशन किया है, देन एंड देन ओनली you will pay the amount of salary or commission to the partners. Then admission of new partner, it is also simple provision. Last provision, it is that new partner can be admitted in the partnership firm. क्यों admit किया जाता है partner? Because when there is a need of capital, when there is a need of capital, additional capital, more capital, if company firm is needed, or whatever the required manager skills are needed, technical skill might be lagging in the partners, that time if they want the new partner, in that time, with the consent of all partners, the provision is that if with the consent of the all partners, new partner can be admitted. These are the 6 provisions. Let's come to the next slide. The next slide is telling you about the methods. First method of fluctuating capital method, that is methods of maintaining capital account. Capital account जो भी प्रिपेयर करने वाले हम मेन सॉल्यूशन में, in the problem of final account partnership firm final account, the first method is provided here, the fluctuating capital method. पहला मेथड जो है वो ये बता रहा है कि आपके कैपिटल बैलेंसेस जो है फ्लक्चुएट होते जाएंगे, चेंज होते जाएंगे, सेम नहीं रहेंगे, so that all adjustment effects will be given in the partner's capital account only. So capital balances on the capitals accounts changes every year. They are not remaining constant, they are changing every year, because there might be additional capital provided, there might be any asset provided, so that it is also asset provided by the partner, it is also capital. You know that capital is in 3 forms: asset, cash, or kind. So if that type of capital is provided to the firm, then also it will be created, and the balance of that partner who has provided the capital will be changing. And if drawings he has made, then also the capital balance will be deducting if he has withdrawn amount from his own account, from the partnership firm. Then if they have earned profit, the profit is credited to that capital account, so that it is added in the capital account. That's why it is increasing the capital balance on the partner's capital account. Next slide is telling you about the partner's capital account, how it is the format provided in the account. If you are maintaining under this system, this method, that fluctuating capital method, in that how you will prepare the partner's capital account, it is a part of solution of partner's final account, partnership firm final account. It is part of solution, that how it is prepared. Actually it is a blank format I have provided to you, that credit balance always there for the capital account, so credit by balance brought down. There are partner 1, partner 2, as I written P1, P2, debit side, credit side. Then there is also drawings, which is written on the debit side, interest on drawings debit side, that loss is there debit side, and to balance carried down. If the balance remained, credit side is more than debit side, then it is for balancing purpose we will write on the debit side. And on the credit side you can find there are some items, 4 items which are there: cash or bank account, मतलब एडिशनल कैपिटल उसने लाया है किसी पार्टनर, सब समझो पार्टनर 1 ने 50,000 कैपिटल लाए, तो सो ही विल बी प्रोवाइडिंग यू कैपिटल इन हिज कॉलम, एंड पोस्टिंग विल बी एज बाय कैश अकाउंट और बैंक अकाउंट रुपीज़ 50,000, supposed to be it is a 20,000, so he will writing in this column. Then partner 2 if brought something amount, supposed to be 30,000, so it will be written here. Then by interest on capital, whatever the interest they have, if as I told you, as per the provisions, if it is mentioned in partnership deed, they need to be provided interest amount on their capital. So if the partner 1 have provided 50,000 capital and the rate of interest is supposed to be 10%, so by 10% by interest on capital it will be 5,000 here will be the amount. And same thing with the partner 2. Then salary to partner and by net profit, like these items will be created सैलरी की जगह वहाँ पे कमीशन भी हो सकता है. Listen carefully that if you are writing on the credit side here, then it is increasing, then it is increasing the capital balances on the partners. And if it is written on the debit side like drawings and interest on drawings, then it would be decreasing the balances of the partners. So increasing items on the credit side, decreasing items on the debit side like drawings or interest on drawings or net loss, like that. And finally you will balance that account, and final balances will be written in balance sheet as it is. So this is what fluctuating capital method, under which partners capital account of the partners will be prepared. Otherwise you have the solution trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet also. Go for the next. सेकेंड मेथड इज़ फिक्स्ड कैपिटल मेथड. दूसरा मेथड जो है हमारा वो है फिक्स कैपिटल मेथड. कैपिटल बैलेंसेस ऑफ पार्टनर्स remains constant. That means the capital balance will not be changing, but if there is additional capital brought by any partner, then it will be changing. Remember that. समझो 50,000 they have decided to make the fix that 50,000 of X capital and Y's capital also 50,000 to be maintained in the further future. So if they have brought something 20,000 additional capital or 30,000 additional capital, that will be added. Otherwise the 50,000 and 50,000 will be remaining same capital for the every year. मतलब जो भी एडिशनल कैपिटल वो लाएंगे वही फिक्स कैपिटल मेथड में पार्टनर्स कैपिटल के अंडर आएगा. मतलब कौन से दो अकाउंट प्रिपेयर कर, बाकी एडजस्टमेंट का क्या करेंगे वो बताए यहाँ पे. बोथ कैपिटल अकाउंट एंड करंट अकाउंट टू बी मेंटेन इन दिस पर्टिकुलर मेथड. मतलब आपके कैपिटल अकाउंट के बैलेंसेस सेम रहेंगे एंड करंट अकाउंट पे आपको सारे बाकी इफेक्ट्स जो अभी हमने देखे थे वो सारे इफेक्ट, ये सारे इफेक्ट करंट अकाउंट में जाएंगे. बस एडिशनल कैपिटल का ये जो पोस्टिंग है ये यहाँ पे नहीं आएगा, पार्टनर्स कैपिटल में आएगा, पार्टनर्स करंट अकाउंट में नहीं आएगा. सो हाउ इट इज़ प्रिपेयर्ड, सी द इन द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. पार्टनर्स करंट अकाउंट, फर्स्टली आई एम टेलिंग यू डेबिट साइड as it is inner outer column, that not inner outer column, that is partner 1 column and partner 2 column, and credit side partner 1 column and 2 column. See, in the credit side, if we have the credit balances by balance brought down, it may happen that current account might be showing debit balance, so it would be 2 balance brought down. By salary to partner, by interest on capital, yes, interest on capital also need to be credited in partner's current account, not in capital account. Next is a net profit and by balance carried on if the balance debit side is more than credit side. Then debit side drawings, interest on drawings, net loss, and to balance carried on if credit side of some partner, if any of the partner is more than debit side, then it would be credit balance and written on the debit side. So it may happen there might be two balance carried down posting or bad balance carried down posting, or both posting might be there. You will see in the further problems कि ये हो सकता है कि क्रेडिट ज़्यादा हो सकता है किसी पार्टनर का डेबिट से और डेबिट ज़्यादा हो सकता है क्रेडिट से. सो इट मे बी शोइंग, उसमें डेबिट बैलेंस भी आ सकता है और क्रेडिट बैलेंस भी आ सकता है, पोस्टिंग कहीं पे भी आ सकता है ये बैलेंस का. तो ऐसा फिक्स नहीं होता कि कैपिटल जैसे कि डेबिट में ही लिखा टू बैलेंस कैरी डाउन, तो आगे आपको दिखाई देगा वो क्या अकाउंट है. सी द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड, पार्टनर्स कैपिटल. एज आई टोल्ड यू इन द फर्स्ट स्लाइड, both partners current capital account and current account need to be maintained. First account we had see current account, second is partners capital account. partners capital account maintain करना पड़ेगा, लिखना पड़ेगा, लिखा है कि आपको क्रेडिट में बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन करना है. इफ एडिशनल कैपिटल ब्रॉट, then only this posting will come, that by cash or bank account, otherwise it will not come. Or by asset account, additionally if he has brought asset, so if partner 1 has brought, समझो एक पार्टनर 1 ने फर्नीचर लाए 20,000 का, so by furniture account would be posted and in his column will be it is written. And debit में posting आएगा to balance carried down, it is a final balances. If it is no addition of this additional capital or asset, then these balances whatever written 50,000 or 50,000 same will be posted to the debit side. So no change in that case. That's why it is called as fixed capital method. Otherwise it is a it would be changing, then it is a fluctuating capital method. In partners capital account, if it is in fluctuating capital method, all effects are written, mentioned, posted in the capital account only. But if it is in partners, if it is in second method, fixed capital method, then you will be writing all these effects, adjustment effects in partner's current account, and regarding to the capital only, additional capital or additional asset brought by partner, that only you will be writing in the partner's capital account. So that is for the, that's what I want to tell you for the day, and it is the end of this session. Thank you for watching this video.